We're gonna catch your beat.
3, 2, 1.
Confidence, excellence, legacy, and beauty.
I was once a fighter, but now I fall. No matter what, I give my all.
Open to new ideas, caring and helpful for others. Even in my darkest times, I strive.
Hardest days, longest nights, missing a friend, red in eyes.
I am the Queen Hope. I am brave, strong, and kind.
Amazing, beautiful.
Be great, have a positive attitude, inspire others, always have a plan, never give up on yourself, notice who you are, always be intelligent.
Yeah!
They try to silence us based off our gender and color, but what does that have to do with being sisters and brothers? But what does it matter when I'm a sister, not a brother?
How does you being a brother make you better than me? When he was going through things you couldn't even see, they was living a dream while we was up in reality.
Always keep your head up, never forget who you are. I have a purpose, you matter, anything can happen, have an open mind.
Victorious in our pursuit of greatness, inspiration in our goals, sisterhood is a vibe. I am called to lead, opportunities are endless, nothing can stop your shine or your light.
Peace to Southern means family. I tell them to be confused about my own anatomy. Freedom walking wide.
I will have a friend that I can share my feelings with and not bottle them up.
Apples and oranges, and yes, a little.
Yeah!
Fathers are supposed to be their daughters' first love. Their hero, their supporter, their light like a love.
She makes me feel like I'm the best person on the planet. She feels for me.
I gave myself forgiveness, I had less stress, forgiveness gave me chances to be blessed. I write how I feel and I do as I write. As I walk down the street, I can still see the light.
And no matter how hard I try to put the play back together, there is always a crack. You try again and again, but the crack always comes back.
People hate me and they love me at the same time. I guess I'm everything and nothing at the same time.
Every young girl matters, make a difference, pursue your dreams, open your eyes to see that you're a queen.
Striving for greatness, always money, remembering my goals, intended for great work.
Yeah!
Free from the world in our state of mind, remember who we are and never forget the plot. Evolve and move on, but never lose sight of who you are. Elevate and strive for greatness, despite who they think you are.
I love my mom, and I know she loves me. But sometimes I wonder if she sees me, how I want to be seen.
Hidden but not afraid, showering to wash off the pain. Lonely and concealed, the question still remains, what's my deal? Leading and loving one another like soldiers, empowering to grow each other, seeing each other succeed in life.
I want my family proud, not who I pretend to be, but who I sought to become. And the world was illuminated and
I'm right back where I was the last time. He just got up and left. But free will, right? Just keep laughing and joking about it until it's too late to go back.
I wish we didn't became so distant. I don't like you. I just like the comfort you bring me.
Nothing can stop me from becoming who I have always wanted to be.